Hello friends, I am Rajinder Jatana, math teacher on this site. I am coming up with two mnemonics today. The first mnemonic is Euclid's division algorithm, and the second mnemonic is छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ, LCM and SCF. Now first of all, we'll go to Euclid's division algorithm. As per the definition, given two positive integers a and b, there exist two unique integers q and r, satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r is less than b, greater than equal to 0. This is the definition. Now, I have prepared a mnemonic to remember this. Look here, the mnemonic is A, beautiful queen is called Rani. A beautiful queen is called Rani. Rani, R is less than B. Rani छोटी है अपने भाई से. No, this is simply a division, when A is divided by B. So there comes a quotient Q. So B into Q is BQ. Subtract it, it becomes A minus BQ is equal to R. Take BQ on the right side. It becomes A is equal to BQ plus R, where R is less than B, greater than equal to 0. R is the remainder here. So again, I'll repeat it. What is Euclid's division algorithm? A is equal to BQ plus R. A beautiful queen is called Rani. रानी छोटी है अपने भाई से. ये आपको याद रखना है, and things will become very easy for you. Now let us go to the second mnemonic. The second mnemonic is छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ. छोटे मियाँ. Here is the छोटे मियाँ, least common multiple. बड़े मियाँ, HCF, highest common factor. This is बड़े मियाँ. Now how to find, question arises, how to find LCM and HCF. So let us learn with the help of an example. Example is, find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54. Now solution. We'll be going ahead with prime factorization of both the numbers. So this theorem is based on unique FTA, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, or fundamental unique theorem. This is based on that. Now, what we'll be doing it, we'll be making the prime factorization of 336 and 54. Now look here, the prime factorization of 336 can be made from this technique. 336 divide by 2, it comes 168. Divide by 2, it comes 84. Divide by 2, it comes 42. Divide by 3, it comes 7. Divide by 7, it comes 1. So the factors of 336 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So this is 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 1, 7 raised to the power 1. Now let us go for factorization of 54. Divide by 2, it becomes 27. Divide by 3, it becomes 9. Divide by 3, it becomes 3. Divide by 3, it becomes 1. So the factorization of 54, prime factorization of 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now put it in the form 2 raised to the power 1 here and 3 raised to the power 3 here. There is no 7 here. Multiply with 7 raised to the power 0. Now we know that छोटे मियाँ LCM, छोटे मियाँ की फिजिकल ताकत ज़्यादा होती है और बड़े मियाँ की फिजिकल ताकत कम होती है. Now first of all we'll calculate LCM, छोटे मियाँ। यहाँ पे देखिए 2 की पावर 4 है, 2 की पावर 1 है, ज्यादा ताकत 2 की पावर 4 है। यहाँ पे 3 की पावर 1 है, 3 की पावर 3 है, ज्यादा ताकत, ज्यादा पावर 3 की पावर 3 है। 7 raised to power 1, 7 raised to power 0, and the higher power is 7 raised to power 1. Go on multiplying this, you get 3024. And बड़े मियाँ की ताकत कम है। This is 2 raised to power 4, this is 2 raised to power 1, we will take 2 raised to power 1. Similarly 3 raised to power 1 into 3 raised to power, and this is 3 raised to power 3. कम वाली कौन सी है? 3 raised to power 1. From this 7 raised to power 0 is come. So it will take lesser powers. So 2 into 3 into 2 raised to power 1 and 3 raised to power 1, 7 raised to power 0 becomes 6. So HCF is 6. This is what I wanted to teach you today, that there are two mnemonics, Euclid's division algorithm and छोटे मियाँ बड़े मियाँ. Thank you very much for viewing my videos.